Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making this low-carb spaghetti squash pasta, which is an absolute delicious substitution for regular pasta spaghetti dish. So if you'd like to see how I make it, continue watching. So guys, I think the most absolute difficult part of this dish is cutting the squash in half. So once you get it cut in half, you're gonna go ahead and take a spoon or a fork and just take out the inside, the seeds, and all this other stringy stuff. And you're gonna brush on some olive oil, about a tablespoon in each. And we're gonna season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I just lined my tray with some foil paper, and I'm just gonna put the spaghetti squash facing down. And we're gonna bake this at a 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes. Moving on to my sauce, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oil, a medium-sized onion chopped, three garlic cloves chopped, and I'm using 1 pound of ground turkey. You can go ahead and feel free to use whatever meat you would like. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, and I like my pasta spicy, so I'm gonna add in some crushed peppers. And once my meat is cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my tomato sauce. So I'm just gonna basically heat up my sauce here, and once it's heated, I'm gonna taste for salt and pepper if I'm missing anything. So you know your squash is done when those sides get a little bit brown. So I'm gonna take my fork, and look at this guys, you just peel it like this, just scrape it a little bit, and it's like, it looks just like noodles. So I'm gonna add all of this to my pan with my sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And I'm gonna give this a good mix. And now I'm gonna fill it back into the squash bowl. I find it a little bit cool to eat it out of a squash. And I'm gonna garnish it with some green onion and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And guys, this looks and smells so amazing. I'm telling you guys, it's a great substitution for pasta. You guys have to try this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and everybody comment, like, and share. Thank you guys.